I greet everyone. With you, System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with some summary information about the company. A little further, we will examine each indicator in more detail. If necessary, it is possible to pause. You can look at each parameter of the organization in question in detail. Now we will look at the current fundamental indicators of the company. United States Steel Corp, ticker X. This review is based on information as of May 25, 2025. According to Classification Guru, Markets Company United States Steel Corp belongs to the subcategory Metal Black. 29 companies are involved in the analysis, which is quite representative. The result for the company is as follows: 0 out of 10 points. Average score for the subcategory, 2.5 points. If you look broadly, within the entire stock market as a whole, we see that the average rating for the entire stock market as a whole is 1.9 points. Against a score of 0 points, United States Steel. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price, United States Steel Corp, and subcategory companies, we will see that over 12 months the company's shares United States Steel showed a dynamics of 43.9%. Compared to the price dynamics for the subcategory, minus 6.5%. Market capitalization of the company United States Steel Corp valued at $11.78 billion. The subcategory's market capitalization is $209 billion. United States Steel accounts for a share of 5.648% and is one of the medium-sized companies in the subcategory. The company's book value is estimated at $11.23 billion. The subcategory's book value is $227 billion. United States Steel Corp constitutes a share of 4.938%. Comparing the shares of stock exchange and book value, we see the following. Share United States Steel Corp in the subcategory in case of market capitalization assessment is 5.648%. The book value is 4.938%. This is 13% less than the market capitalization share. Evaluation of the company's market share and book value of the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The organization under study has debt obligations of $4.269 billion. Debt to book value is 38% of capital. Company debt level rating, good, 1 point. The company's stock price to earnings ratio is 121.4. The average for the subcategory is 16.7, which is 86% higher than the subcategory average. Evaluation of the stock market value to earnings ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very bad, minus 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was $97 million. Projected profit for the next 12 months is expected to be $705 million. Assessment of projected future profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's price-to-sales ratio is 0.8. The average for the subcategory is 0.7, which is 14% higher than the average for the subcategory. Evaluation of the exchange value to revenue ratio in comparison with the subcategory indicators, toll, 0 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $15,160 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $28,240 million. Assessment of the expected future sales figures in comparison with the figures in the subcategory, Good, 1 point. The sales margin is 0.6%, with an average of 3.9% in the subcategory. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 3.3%. Evaluation of sales profitability in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 5.398%, which is 5% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the organization is $534,000, while in the subcategory there are $510,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the organization's indicators is 4.7%. Assessment of the amount of capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The amount of profit per individual employee of the company is $4,400. Average for the subcategory, $30,500. And the difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 86%. Evaluation of profit per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's sales volume per employee is $687,000. Subcategory, $782,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 14%. Evaluation of revenue per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The volume of transactions for sale was 8.1%, with an average for the subcategory of 2.7%. This is an indication of a short squeeze. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 76% for the company United States Steel. Whereas for the subcategory, the RSI level, 14, is approximately equal to 48%. The company's current share price is around $52. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is around $43.82. The dynamics of the current price and the consensus forecast is approximately minus 16%. Let's look at the order table. It is available to you. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all publicly accepted decisions in a given season by the information and reference system for evaluating shares Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the company's assessment United States Steel. Information system for stock evaluation Guru.Markets, a decision has been made. Do not open the deal, as this video is an overview. Thank you all for watching this video and for using the information and reference system from Guru.Markets. You all really are the best audience.